Hello, my name is Dylan, and this is the app I had to do for Code.org Unit 4 Lesson 11. And what this app does is when you run it, you can type anything in the quote input, and it will be shown in the quote output. For example, I can put and you can change the font to an impact, the background color to light green, and you can even change the font size on what you want. Now, how this works is I had to make 4 variables for each thing that would be changed, and I had to use those variables on event blocks. So the first event block, it basically it modifies the variables so that when I use it, it gets the text input from here and displays it on the quote output over here. And yeah, so the input would be this bar right here because I'm inputting these words, and the output would be on the screen right here. Next is the color input. So the input would be choosing a color, and then the output would be it showing on the screen. It should be light yellow or light pink. And the way I grab this is I change the color variable so that when the event block is pressed, it gets the text from here and it displays on there. That's why it says set property. The same thing for the font and size and font type. I grab the input, which would be choosing one of these fonts. And then the output would be displaying it on the screen. Now the font size would be this bar, which I set when the mouse moves it. It gets the number because it's a size and not a text. So when the mouse moves it, the number changes each time the mouse moves it, depending where it is. Now the function that I made was nice design on this feedback output because on the original app, when the user would do anything, it would always show up a nice design text at the bottom. And that is my app.